Good morning. So officially day 3. We're up early, it's 8 o'clock, because we are getting a taxi from our resort to SeaWorld, and then we have the shuttle from SeaWorld to Busch Gardens. So it's an early start. I think the bus is getting us at 9 AM, so need to move sharpish. So yeah man, let's go Busch Gardens.
Some fun, and don't forget the bus is leaving at 6:15. And
anyway, so the bus journey was long. I wouldn't recommend it. I would get a cab. I think we left at 9. We had to pick a few people up on the way, so we have only just got here now, and it is 11 o'clock. So if you want to save time, just get a taxi. Well, we are here at Busch Gardens. So we are in, and the good thing about this one is with our passes that we get 90 minutes all day dining. So every 90 minutes we can eat for free at most restaurants that are on the app. You can check on the app and it will tell you which ones on there you can use. So we get that for this, Sea Life and Aquatica as well, so that's pretty good. I'll put the link for the website I use in the description of the video, so if anyone wants to get the same deal that I got, you can go and check it out. So let's get into Busch Gardens. Coffee in. Let's go. So we're in the Mayombe Reserve. Going to see some animals.
Paper products. You can choose sustainable products.
What's up, bro? Okay, don't want to look at your butt.
So we have, oh, we've got a little birds having a scrap. So this is the Kenya canteen, and then it's all obviously being based on the animals. Got animal interactions and tours, and then you've got a little train track that goes through here as well. You can actually book to feed giraffes, so maybe we might find out how much it is. So with Friday night being on here, they got Sin City zombies, and they've made like obviously these huts, which are obviously going to be like little scare houses, I'm guessing, but they look cool. This is Elliot, I've named him. Man's got a long trunk. So we are now at the animal care centre section. There's an animal care centre in here. We've obviously got some elephants knocking about.
I'm Colleen. I'm also a veterinarian here at Busch Gardens, and I'm here in the radiology room. In this room, we take various images of all of our animals here at the park, so you can get a better idea of what's happening inside the animal. So we have digital radiology.
How cool is this? So you can technically watch them operate on animals when they're fixing them or taking care, giving them surgeries, and you can all watch it live. Anyway, nice little way to cool yourself off. I guess you can go that side if you don't want to get wet. But ooh, oh, that's really nice. And now we are in Antopia. And there's like a big detonator there. I'll see if Lauren wants to go on it, but I highly doubt it. So at Busch Gardens, this is like the fun fair section where there's loads of little games, arcades. It goes all the way around there. And then yeah, we're just gonna go, there's like a carousel in the middle. But games are, I don't know, small bucket, $10. Some games are like $5 a go. So, get up here. And across, oh, you can't see it from here. On the other side of this, there's a tiger, but I can't see. So this is Shakira. which I will be going on at some stage. So in Busch Gardens there's also lorry landing, which is like this enclosure with all different types of birds and ducks. And you kind of can just free roam around with them. So this is like the kids section, and it is all Sesame Street themed, safari fun. There's snacks and treats over there. There's a big obstacle course in the corner for kids. There's a little mini roller coaster over there, and then a Sesame Street show. So we've got some flamingos knocking about.
Very pink, aren't they?
Yeah.
Compared to one yesterday.
So this is the Kookaburra aviary, which I'm guessing we can just see birds, or kookaburras obviously.
Oh.
So there's a little pink thing over here, I don't know what that is. All different birds and stuff in there. And then when we get up here, we have what I like to call Kangaloo aviary. So maybe we'll see some kangaroos. So anybody that knows me and my Australian heritage, come to see the family. I'm just chilling. We've got some kangaroos being a bit sleepy. Alright, so this is Sweetacular, which I'm guessing is the kids' Halloween area. But I'm not going in there, so here is probably the best ride here. Iron Gauzy, which is the fastest, tallest hybrid coaster, which is massive. Well, I will go on this and get a little POV, but we've got some other rides we want to do first. As I'm going on this on my own, we'll come back. So you got this place here, which has 3 different types of food and restaurants, and it's opposite Cheetah Hunt. So this is just a cheetah bar where they just do cocktails, frozen cocktails, beers, etc. And you can get a buffalo chicken, mac and cheese. So more like snacks and bar drinks. And then this is, you can get chicken palms, sandwich as well.
Salads, I'll get that.
You can get Caesar salad, kids meal, and this is here. So you can eat in this restaurant, and then you can overlook the zebras and the giraffes. So I went with the buffalo chicken pizza, I'm gonna try this, but I saw her pull it out of the fridge, so I don't know, it's not looking the best. Anyway, let's try this before it all falls apart. That's really good. Spicy though. Yeah. I think it's got like Frank's hot sauce on it. Nice, huh? Just messy. So the pizza was dead. It was mixed with like ranch / like Frank's hot sauce, so it was disgusting. This come out of the fridge. No, it tastes like, you want to try it? It tastes like a thicker version of a Subway cookie, but cold. I'm giving it a 4 though. Bang average. Not good. So on this side you've got Cobra's Curse, which is going up now. This is this one here. And then behind it you have got Monty. to say hello.
Oh, he's got a
Hello,
little tag.
mate.
He's got a little tag on.
Hello, mate.
Hello. He's got a little tag on his arm.
Yeah. And then you've got this other food place. You get chicken tenders, burgers, and a salad. But yeah, you can eat for free for 90 minutes, so might as well get everything. Right, so we are wrapping the day up with some chicken tenders and this meaty, weighty, green sludge of a cupcake, which actually looks really nice. But I've tried the chips are nice. Let me try it. I'll try one then. They're good. Also, another perk for me being in America is their barbecue sauce man, just like me. And they have the Sweet Baby Ray's barbecue sauce. So that is Busch Gardens wrapped up. I'm gonna eat this, get back on the coach home. And then tomorrow we are going to, where are we going tomorrow? Universal, which is going to be probably my favourite day. Peace.